Tomato. Meron? Oh, meron na oh. Is that the one? I think yung isa yung gusto niya eh. Yung crunchy cookie butter. Yeah. Walang crunchy. Alam ko phased out na yun yung ano. Taste?
What I like is the taste.
The taste? Okay.
Taste.
Remember this one? You like it? Ikaw tayo isa? Yeah?
Marshmallows. Okay. Hash brown? You want it? Oh, you ask mommy. How do you eat this? What do you say?
Gusto yung ganito na maliit eh.
Tastes like what?
My vitamins.
Your vitamins?
Please subscribe to my